कोलवा क्रिकीन गाणयारे उदक सोडपी वेवसायिकांचेर खर कारवाई करतले अशी शिटकावणी पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांणी दिल्या। भलायकी खात्याकडेन हे संबंधीत कागाळ करून वेवसायिकांचे उदक आनी लायटीची जोडणी कापतले अशें रोहनान म्हणलां। तशेंच इंटग्रेटेड बीच मॅनेजमेंट प्लान तयार करपाचें काम तशेंच आयकॉनिक बीच नोंदणीचें काम फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्यां भितर तयार करतले अशें रोहनान म्हणलां।
When he has highlighted this issue, we need to go back. The people who are doing activities, business activities, need to be responsible to have everything. माझ्या घरात, तुझ्या दुकानार, तुझ्या हॉटेलान सगळ्यांची स्वतःची जबाबदारी असता आपले स्वतःचे फॅसिलिटीज दवरपाक। समज ना जाल्यार normally health department will cut off the electricity and water, and that is why they have to manage it. Now things need to be sorted. I think we need to. There are some 7 or 8 which have been highlighted. Unless I study this issue and it will be too early for me to say something. But one is they have to do something on their own. If they need some help, we can see if it is possible through our department. But we cannot commit. फाल्या हांगा 7 आसा 6 आसा फाल्या 60 जातली फाल्या 200 जातली. It is each one's role to play and we have to be responsible for our own environment. We cannot keep blaming the government and this. We have to say आम्ही आमचो ना integrated plan will come by this season. Integrated beach management will come by the season. The iconic beach module which we are taking, under it will take 6 months to a year for us to commence anything. But what we have vichalla by integrated, this season we want to start. Our highlight is to start as early. Paperwork has started. So if we are able to do it, yeah, season will start from October.